What's up? Well, it's been a little while since I did a video. You can see that I have the Felder machinery set up where I think I want it to be. I'm still tripping over the hoses because I haven't set up the dust collection yet. I'm waiting for some more duct work to show up, you know what I mean? But hopefully once that shows up, I will be able to do, more work more efficiently, because you can see it's pretty tight now. And I just made um, 2 beds and 3 tables. So I am putting this stuff to work, and I got to say what? I can't believe I've worked so long without that shaper, because I forgot how nice it is to have a shaper with big cutter heads and all that safety on the front of it. So I'm really psyched I have that. I still haven't figured out the sliding table saw much yet, but the bandsaw is working good. And the jointed planer, you guys know I love it for the money. So I think that it's overall really good. But check it out. You can see that I'm running out of space here, so I need to pull some stuff out of here. Like I have the motor machine's got to go. I think that router table's got to go. I need to move some shelves around, but overall, I think I'll get acclimated to the space relatively quickly, and then hopefully bang out the stools for the kits and the shaker step stools. Right? I know I haven't been around in a couple of weeks. It's because it's Thanksgiving time. You know what I mean? And for those of you who don't know, my sister Grace was murdered in 1990. Thanksgiving Day was the last time we seen her. So it's just kind of a hard time for me, So I'm usually pretty quiet, and I just kind of stay by myself because I don't want to take, my crap out on anybody else. But I say it every year. If you can do something, just be kind. Like that's all you need to do. Just try to have a little patience for people that you may not agree with, right? Because life is short. I never got a chance to tell my sister that I loved her, you know what I mean? And 34 years later, it still gnaws at me. I wish I had told her that I loved her. So I have a bunch of other siblings, and I tell them I love them all the time, because that's what life is really all about. Don't get caught up in all the negativity, right? So I'm going to keep plugging away at it. I think that, we're turning the corner, and I feel as though we have good things coming. So I appreciate you watching, and like I said, if you haven't spoken to a family member or anybody lately because, politics or whatever, just put it off to the side, call them, and just, appreciate their company, because one day they're going to be gone, and then that'll be that. You know what I mean? So I need to clean this place. It looks like a bomb hit it. So yeah, we'll see what happens in the next few weeks. All right. See ya.